guys, it's your boy Stumpy Double G, and I'm back with another Dota 2 Road to Immortal episode. Let's get this party started. Get my music a bit softer. Apologies for this, guys. Boom, boom, boom. In my life. Screw this, man. Screw everybody. Let's just jump right into it. I ain't no scared. But you might not, baby.
Stumpy D-O-double-G.
That's it, baby. They do run up, baby. They do run up, baby. They do run, baby. But they're not up, baby. But they're doing up, baby.
Locked in and dialed up, Stumpy Dog enters the match with zero hesitation and total control.
It's all not up. It's all not up.
Every move is calculated, every play is pressure tested. Rivals call it luck, but let
It's all not up. It's all not up.
grind and raw talent. So when the countdown is here, when the pressure's at its peak, that's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
Right up, baby. Right up, bossy. Busy. No, baby. Put it up, baby. $215. I don't know if it's worth it. We'll see. Wishing on me. I don't want to show them when no trouble for me. If trouble for me.
D-O-double-G.
When no cuddle with me. I don't want to do the whip it on me. I'm going to better wish it. Better wish it on me. What a day. Oh, that really, but I want that. 11% rank confidence. Oh yeah. It's a lot of bad things and they're wishing on me. It's a lot of bad things and they're wishing on me. She said do it to me, I tell her only partly, I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. See.
10 seconds remaining.
02
5 seconds remaining. Your turn to pick.
God's plan. You know what? Good. I don't know.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Lot of bad things and I wish and I wish and I wish and I wish. It's a lot of bad things and I wish 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 and on me.
Templar Assassin. Interesting.
Time for preparations.
It's an open secret, obvious to all, that this one is in the bag.
30 seconds to battle.
Known for sharp instincts, quick reflexes, and an unshakable focus. They don't just play
None shall elude me.
If you're looking for sweat, skill, and a serious love for the grind, you found it. Welcome to the arena. Welcome to Stumpy Dog's game.
As the temple requires. Well, that's it. The secret is out. That is clear. On my way.
Down, double J.
I vow it. For the temple. Elude me not. On my way. What secrets shall be exposed? My purpose is clear.
Call it luck, the legends know it's skill, no tilt, no fear, just pure power, talent. So when the countdown hits 0 and the pressure's at its peak,
Revelations.
that's when
By my now I see.
That's good. Wow.
When did I first
I'm under attack. Readily. Mystery deep, so be it. The truth is near. Trail of clues. Temple direct. As the temple requires. The trail is in. The next level of my powers. That is clear. So it is written. Clues to in pursuit of the mysteries. Fire. Sense of mystery. I'm under attack.
He's got his own virtual world in his basement with his mates.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
A world full of fight. And no one's taking it from him. No one's taking it from him.
On your guard. In pursuit of the mysteries. Interesting. That is clear. Readily. Revelation. So it is revealed. For the temple. Strikes me. I vow it.
like this.
So it is written. Set. That is clear.
This.
I know it.
Weapons are.
The trail is fresh. The temple requires. I am so good. I love it.
Silence is broken.
A trail of clues. Now I see.
Yeah,
As the
yeah. Just be
temple
careful.
requires.
Everything is stopped now.
Clues to follow. I'll take it. So it is written.
That's a bit of warm.
On my way. Senses. I'm under attack. Illusion. That is clear. Readily. My purpose is clear. Elude me not.
The enemy's middle tower was torn down.
I'm coming, guys.
Secret. Snap.
Fight me.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Thy life's weight in mana.
So it is revealed. On my way. Now I see. On your guard. So be it.
I think Seraphine is coming top, so be careful, guys.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
On my way.
Something wicked at your middle tower.
As the temple requires.
Your middle tower is not doing well.
I'm under attack. The temple directs.
Your enemy's top tower was destroyed.
Ignorance shed. I vow it.
Nah, rather backline.
Yes. Clearly. Betrayal of clues. The temple sent me. On my way. So be it.
Play to dominate. If you're looking for sweat, skill, and serious love with grind,
Revelations.
welcome to the arena. Welcome to Stumpy Dog's game.
That is clear.
Radiant's courier was lost in the heat of battle. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
As the temple requires. On your guard. Purpose is clear. I vow it. The trail is fresh.
Locked in, Stumpy Dog enters the match with zero hesitation and total control from pixel perfect aim to next level game sense. Every move is calculated, every play is pressure tested. Rivals call it luck, but legends know it's skill, no tilt, no fear, just pure grind and raw talent.
Clues to count down.
When the pressure's at its peak, that's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
For the temple. In pursuit of the mysteries. The temple directs. I sense some mischief.
bottom tower. There.
So be it.
Stompy dogs got the screen aglow with a reaper chili and a dead show. He's the king of the stream, but can't feel the stream. Rise like crowds. One bite, two bites, easy courage,
Double damage! Your middle tower is under attack.
Cling to my existence, elude me not. So it is with you. As the temple requires.
A spot of trouble at your top tower. Radiant structures are fortified.
I'm coming, I am. Okay. Never mind, I'm not coming. I'm coming, Underlord.
I'm under attack. Closed.
Bottom tower is being invaded. Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower craves your attention.
So it is with
Your top tower craves your attention. You bravely denied your top tower.
you. Now.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Maybe chop the ground. Or touch the ground. Tell you blind like a bully dancer. I'm like a belly dancer. Touch the ground. No more do bully dancer. Think about like a belly dancer.
On my way.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'll do the
So
same.
ends the story of your middle tower. Your middle tower is not doing well.
That pinned your eyes open, didn't it?
Everyone like Boom the Dancer. Shake your
Something
body like a
wicked at your
belly
middle
dancer.
tower. Something wicked at your middle tower.
Most awful of Mariah.
Stumpy D-O-double-G.
Your middle tower is under attack.
That is clear. I know it. As the temple requires. As the temple requires. The trail is fresh. I am driven by secrets. By my oath, I vow it.
Do we have a smoke, guys?
Regeneration. Yes. Readily. Interesting. I know it. Strange.
I don't know what to do, man.
That is clear. On my way. Elude me not.
It is mine.
Let's keep it between us.
There's still work to do.
As the temple requires. Clearly. I'm under attack.
Your bottom tower is being invaded. Radiant has reinforced their structures.
I vow it.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
The temple directs. Now I see.
A spot of trouble at your top tower.
Strange. Readily.
Choppers are faster than ever.
Newfound wisdom.
Killing spree. Mega kill.
I'm not ready. So it is revealed.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Something wicked at your middle tower. Your bottom tower is being invaded. Your bottom tower is being invaded. The tail of your bottom tower has
A glimpse of the secrets, and already that is clear.
They play to dominate. If you're looking for sweat,
In
skill,
pursuit
and a
of the
serious love
mysteries.
for the grind, you found it. Welcome to the arena.
My
Welcome to
purpose is
Stumpy Dog's
clear.
game.
Fire. What secrets shall be exposed? As the temple requires. Now I see. Interesting. I sense mystery. So be it. So it is revealed. On your guard.
Locked in and dialed up, Stumpy Dog enters the match. Aim the next level game sense. Every move.
A train of trees.
Fresh meat.
Interesting. Readily.
Double J.
Clues to follow.
Your top tower is under attack. You see, the Gradient just fortified their structures. Dire structures are fortified.
You wanna go rush, guys?
As the temple requires.
Crush me!
So it is written. I see.
The enemy's top tower is now ash and dust.
On your guard.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
Revelations.
And no one's taking it from him. No one's taking it from him. And if they do, then it's on them.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Your middle tower has fallen. Too bad.
The dance. I like the way, man.
Haste!
I am driven by secrets, as the temple requires. By my oath. Another scale of ignorance shed. Black King Bar. On my way. That is clear. So it is
Yeah, are we gonna try and rush, guys? I think they might also try and rush.
written.
Can we get some work up at Rosh so we can rush this?
This time, I brought hell back with me.
Stumpy Dog goes beast mode.
Gallant Radiant have fortified their structures. Your middle tower met its demise. Your middle barracks are under attack. Your middle barracks were annihilated. Your bottom barracks faced their doom. Ruckus at your bottom barracks. Your bottom barracks have fallen. At least it wasn't your age. A spot of trouble at your top tower. Your top tower is under attack. That was the end of your top tower. Your top tower craves your attention. Radiant structures have been secured.
Firstly!
Your top tower craves your attention.
I must please come back to a while of the hidden ones. Yes. Readily. Trapped snake. In pursuit of the missile.
Your bones will make a fine powder.
Your middle tower is under attack. Something wicked at your middle tower. Your middle tower is under attack.
A stout heart knows no fear.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Something wicked at your middle tower. Your top barracks is looking Your top barracks is falling. Your top barracks are under attack. Your top barracks have been lost.
I'm under attack.
So ended the story of your middle tower. Dire secured their structures.
Magic myself. My grade, your answer is disrespect.
Your middle tower has fallen. Trouble brewing at your ancient. Your ancient needs attention. Your ancient is under attack. Dire victory.
Our secrets now lie bare for the home.
Lovely.
Locked in and dialed up, Stumpy Dog enters the match with zero hesitation and total control from pixel perfect aim to next level game sense. Every move is calculated, every play is pressure tested. Rivals call it luck, but legends know it's skill. No tilt, no fear, just pure grind and raw talent. So when the countdown hits zero and the pressure's at its peak, that's when Stumpy Dog goes beast mode. Solve that! Stumpy Deal Double J!
got his own little virtual world in his basement with his mates. His phone and a world full of colors and light. Oh yeah, a world full of fight. And no one's taking it from him. No one's taking it from him. And if they do, then it's on him. 'Cause his name's Stumpy Dog, and he's been at it since before the Lords. And you might find it kinda hard, but
Almost time.
like he is a superhero. Yeah. He's taking
I don't wanna go to bed with. I don't wanna go to bed without you. Bed without you. I don't wanna go to bed. I don't wanna go to bed. I don't wanna go to bed without you.
no one's touching it. 'Cause his name's Stumpy Dog, and he's been at it since before the Lords. And you might find it kinda hard, but his name's Stumpy Dog. 'Cause his name's Stumpy Dog.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Your turn to pick.
Meet Stumpy Dog, the relentless force in the world of competitive gaming, whether it's clutching the final round or strategizing every move with surgical precision.
Stumpy Dog laughs for the high stakes thrill of competition. Known for sharp instincts, quick reflexes, and an unshakable focus. They don't just play to win, they play to dominate. If you're looking for sweat, skill, and a serious love for the grind, you found it. Welcome to the arena. Welcome to Stumpy Dog's game. Stumpy D-O-double-G.
Who's your danger? Who's your danger? Oh shit, we have a lot of guys. I didn't even fucking realize.
Prepare for battle.
My tissues run. Forward. Vector of infection.
Thirty seconds remaining.
Plague spreader. Of course. No escape. Yes. lot of rot. Quickly. I pox upon you.
Hey.
My name is Legion. What a laughter. I'll plague you. A galloping infection. Yes. I run ransom. Of course. I run ransom. Of course. My tissues run. You rot. Affliction. Yes. Spread the contagion. Rage and rot. I molder on. Vector of infection. I'm under attack. My flesh vitiates.
Another kill for me.
A galloping infection. Plague spreader. I run rancid. Marks the spot. Yes.
Less force in the world of competitive gaming. Whether it's clutching the final round or strategizing every move with surgical precision. Stumpy Dog lives for the high-stakes thrill of competition. Known for
I
strong instincts, quick
molder on.
reflexes, and an unshakable focus. They don't just play to win.
Decompose.
Your sweat, skill, and a serious love for the grind you found in.
My tissues
Welcome
run.
to the arena. Welcome to Stumpy Dog's game.
Yes. Plague spreader.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Marks the spot.
Your middle tower is not doing well.
Spoiling for a fight. I'm under attack.
Dialed up, Stumpy Dog enters the match with control from crystal perfect aim. The next level game sense. Every move, every play. Rivals call it luck, the legends know it's skill. No tilt, no fear, just pure grind and raw talent. So when the countdown peak, that's when Stumpy Dog goes
A
beast mode.
galloping infection.
Lives.
Of course. Of course. Affliction.
Your middle tower is not doing well.
Quickly. Attack. I go up. My tissues run. Plague spreader. Vector of infection. War. I run rancid.
Something wicked on your middle tower.
Marks the spot. Yes. Affliction. Yes. Under attack.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Of infection. I go.
I be the monster.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Molder on.
I want it,
A galloping infection. Of course.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack. Something wicked at your middle tower. A spot of trouble at your top tower.
Mine at last.
Relapse.
I hope you enjoyed your rest.
For buskers.
Spreader. I molder on.
Two hits and deaders in one.
A galloping infection. Marks the spot. Sweet spoilage.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Yes.
Dire has strengthened their structures. Your bottom tower is under attack.
I run rancid. Vector of infection. Affliction. Plague. I'll plague you.
Nawera. Nasakuluro.
My tissues rot. The stench of death. Of course. Of course. Ow.
Nawera. Nasakuluro.
Marks the spot. Of course. Marks the spot.
I'll take that.
Run.
Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi.
Yes. I'm under attack.
Nasora. Nawera.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Your middle tower met its demise. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
Here's pus in your eye.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Yes.
Another one bites the dust.
To squeeze you to bits. Forward. Marks upon you. I run rancid.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I run rancid. Marks the spot. Double kill. Yes.
Your top tower is under attack. Fierce and Dire have fortified their structures. A spot of trouble at your top tower. Radiant has reinforced their structures. Then your top tower fell into pieces.
My tissues run. Marks the spot.
Your enemy's bottom tower was destroyed.
I go. Antiseptic shock.
The tree.
Feel it in the edge. you looking at me?
This will do nicely.
Resurgence. Plague spreader.
Bottom tower is no more. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
Vector of infection.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
A galloping infection. Of course. Okay. Of course. Of course. Take a deep
Your middle tower is not doing well.
I run rancid.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I go. Yes.
They might rush. Lovely.
Can this be?
Your top tower craves your attention.
Playing like an idiot, I'd say.
Dominating.
Something wicked at your middle tower.
Need more than a course of penicillin to get
Heartbreaker.
Forward. Plague spreader. Pain or death. Yes. Quickly. Illusion. I run vector of infection. I'll plague you. Affliction. Yes. Wither hither. Of course. A pox upon you. Decadent decay. I moulder on.
A spot of trouble at your top tower. Dire just 45 their structures. Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower craves your attention.
Heartbreaker.
Tower
Nice.
craves your attention.
Enemy will be destroyed, no matter the cost.
Unstoppable. Triple kill.
What do they have anyway?
Ultra kill.
Yes. My tissues rot. For me, I go. Of course. Let's get looking. Yes. Forward. I reap your life. Of course. Plague spreader. Of course.
Your bottom tower is being invaded. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
Plague spreader. A pox upon you. Yes. I go. Vector of infection. lot of rot. My tissues run. Of course. No remedy. My poor bowel. Affliction. A galloping infection.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Quickly.
Something wicked at your middle tower.
Of course.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Of course. My tissues. Yes.
A spot of trouble at your top tower. Your top tower craves your attention.
Of the raging contagion. I moved
I have strengthened their structures.
infection.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Plague spreader.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower has fallen. They huffed and they puffed until something fell down.
I run rancid.
Something troublesome is happening to your bottom. The tower.
Affliction.
Your bottom tower has
I
fallen.
go. I'll plague you. Of course. Yes.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle barracks have seen better days. Your middle barracks have fallen. Fret not, you will always know. Your middle barracks are no longer. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
I run rancid.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Okay, no stopping, yes. Step on it, drop it, yes.
Forward. Yes. Plague spreader.
A spot of trouble at your top tower.
Shoes run. I molder on.
Dire's courier was
Plague spreader. Marks the spot. Yes. I go.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Dire just fortified their structures.
Of course. Yes. I run rancid. Vector of protection. Quickly. Marks the spot. A galloping infection. I'll plague you.
They play to dominate. If you're looking for sweat, skill, and a serious love for the grind, you found it. Welcome to the arena.
Affliction.
Welcome to Stumpy Dog's game.
My tissues run. Plague spreader. On you some base. I marks the spot. Of course. I molder on.
Go, 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 go.
Triple kill.
A spot of trouble at your top tower. Your top tower, Grave top tower is under attack. That was the end of your top tower.
Fiction.
Your top barracks are in trouble.
My tissues run. Affliction. A galloping infection. Pestilence. Marks the spot. I go. I molder on. Of course. Vector of infection.
Your bottom tower is being invaded. Dire structures are fortified. Your bottom tower has fallen. What's gone is gone. Your bottom barracks are shaking. Your bottom barracks are under attack. Your bottom barracks was squashed. Your middle tower is not doing well. Someone is violating your ancient. Radiant victory.
哎，兄弟。
Day of defeat.
Cause his name's Stampede Dog, and he's been at it since before the Lord. And you might find it kinda hard, but his name's Stampede Dog.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode. It's your boy Stompy, DOGG.